What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life as well as clear the maintenance required message on a 2022 Toyota Tundra. So in order to do this, you'll need the vehicle either running or in the on position. I have mine in the on position because I'm filming inside a closed garage. And the only buttons we're going to be using on these are the buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel here. And I'm going to focus in on the dash, but just so you know what I'm pressing along the way when I say I'm scrolling left or right, scrolling up or down, and then the OK button is pushing this in. The first thing we'll need to do, if you have yours in the on position, you'll be getting a message here on the dash basically saying the vehicle is not ready to drive. So the first thing we'll need to do is press the back button here. But before I do that, I should also mention, depending on your Tundra's options, your dash may look just a little bit different if you don't have this this whole digital cluster. But the procedure and the menus we're going to look at are going to be the same. So like I was saying, the first thing I'm going to do is press the back button here to clear that message. Once we do that, we're going to scroll left or right and keep scrolling left or right until we get to the vehicle settings menu right there. Once you're on that, we're going to scroll down and scroll all the way down until vehicle settings is highlighted. Then press and hold down this OK button. Then it takes us to this screen's vehicle settings. Go ahead and scroll down until we have scheduled maintenance highlighted. Then we're going to press OK. And it's just asking, do we want to reset it? We're going to click yes. Okay, now that reset's been complete, so now I'm going to hit this back button. And I'm going to hit it one more time to back out of this screen. And that brings us back to the vehicle settings menu. Then scroll down until we have oil maintenance highlighted. Press OK. Same thing. Go up to yes. Reset oil maintenance data. We're going to click yes. And now that reset's complete. And then you can press back a few times to back out of those screens if you want to get back to the main menu. But that's it. You just want to make sure that you reset the oil life after an oil change, and then that other menu will clear the maintenance required. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.